I have two different doughs here. This one is about 80% dark rye and 20% white flour. So it's ready to be baked. It's been rising the same amount of time as this one. Can you see how bubbly this one is? It's got so many bubbles and it's risen quite a lot in the bowl from there. I didn't oil this paper, that's why it's stuck on, but if you gently release it, it will come off. This rises so much because it's white flour and probably the type of flour as well. It rises a lot better than wholemeal, and can you see it's quite, you can break it easily, it's easily breakable, but this one is nice and stretchy like that. See how stretchy this is, and I stretch it to gather it to put it in my banneton. Or as this one, it just breaks. See, you can break, it breaks like this, but it's still ready to bake as well. And the loaf is a bit dense, but it tastes amazing still.